Get this kit and more from Uncle Chen Workshop. The links of his Facebook page and Shopee in the description down below. Yo, what's up and welcome back to Eizy Customizer. Here we build, we share, and we're inspired. This week, let's check out another plastic model kit by Kotobukiya. This is the frame arms girl Magatsuki, which is based from the frame arms Magatsuki. This kit costs you around 5,580 yen on Hobby Search, but I bought mine from Uncle Chen Workshop, an online hobby shop here in Malaysia. Magatsuki also has another version, which is the Magatsuki Kika version in another color scheme, and this version is cost you a little bit more with few different parts and new weapon, the shuriken. The size of the box is pretty big, and on this side some information. We have the faceplates, details, and water slide, and on this side we have her artwork, and on this side the Magatsuki with her armor and the standard Magatsuki, also some gimmicks, and on this side the same like the other one. Inside of the box, of course, we have an assembly manual, 29 total runners all together, including the transparent blue parts and the small joints, 3 different face plates, 1 base, body part, hair part, and bottom part, water slide decal, and this special bonus part for pre-order customer. You will get 3 blank face plates and white hair color part. This is a straight build out of the box of Magatsuki. No decal, no panel lining. Like always, everything is fit perfectly with no assembly issue. She comes with 3 different face expression. First one is her emotionless face, and the second one is this sleepy looking face, and the third one is this one. To change her face expression, remove this front hairpiece, this faceplate, and exchange it with a new one. Put this part back and we are done. Size comparison with Kotobukiya Mega Device, Kotobukiya Sosai Shoujo Teien, Snail Shell GN Wolf 001, Bandai Figurized Standard, Kotobukiya Frame Arms Girl, and Bandai High Grade Gunpla. She comes with a set of grabby hand, a set of open hand, a set of pointy hand, a set of fist, and another set of open hand. She has 3 different forehead accessories design. This is number 1, number 2, and this is the samurai design. To change it, well, just remove the part and replace it with a new one. Just like that. For the articulation, her head can move up about this far, go further down like this, and go side to side, and bend to the left, and also to the right. Her hair is using ball joint, some articulation here, and this part can lift up like this, and same goes with her hair. This neck part is intended to be loose. Her arm can move up about this far, make some rotation here, bend like this, and this part also can move a little bit, some hand movement here, and new articulation for her shoulder joint. It can extend it out a bit. This is her shoulder armor, some articulation here, and it can rotate like this. To attach it, just simply slide this pack inside this hole. For the man body, some articulation here. It can lean forward and backward just about this far. Movement for the side skirt, and her front skirt also can be moved like this. And this is for the weapon attachment at the back, and there's a hole down here at the same part for the action base. Her leg can spread out like this, and cannot do high kick because there's a part docking at the front side, and it can go forward about this far and bend like this, and it can do rotation here like that, and this part is removable and it is using small ball joint. You can take it out and change its position any way you like, and also you can rotate it and put it like this way, and movement here, and do some pivot, and this front part also can be moved. For the weapon attachment, there is a lot of articulation that you can do. You can bend, rotate, fold this part in and out, including the blade holders also can be moved too. Magatsuki has 4 blades with 2 different designs. The first 2 big blades are attached to the holders, while the other 2 tiny blades can be stored like this. Both details and designs are pretty cool. To hold this weapon, use the grabby hand and properly place the handle inside like this, and there's no weight issue so far for both weapons. I forgot to mention that you can pull the tights downward a bit for extra articulation. So continue with the weapon attachment. Simply attach it using this pack at the back, and you can grab this action base and use the hole underneath this same part to attach the base. And yes, this action base is also included with this kit. These are the extra joints that we don't use, and we have extra joint for the hand in case you break some. And also there's another additional backpack attachment included. This is purposely for custom build. If you need 3mm hole packs instead of using melt pack from the original design. Also, these 2 parts here to hold the blade handles. Put this part here and grab the blade and put the handle like this, so you can make this kind of pose like this. Very cool, huh? Next is to change Magatsuki into her standard frame scale design. A lot of parts need to be replaced with new one, including her forehead accessories and this part at the back of her head. You need to replace it with this new part here, a smaller one. And there we go. Remove the shoulder armors, the arms, and this part on her shoulder, and pull out this armor part on her arm. Grab this white part and put it here. Assemble back her arms. And next is remove the side skirts, including this part right here. And there we go. And also the weapon attachment at the back, remove that one too. Next, replace her chest part with this piece right here, this one, and put it back in like that. And next, pull out the upper body part, so you can remove this black part here pretty easily and replace it with this tiny white piece to cover it up, and put back the upper body part like that. Next, pull out this bottom part and replace it with this one. Remove both legs. Here you need to disassemble more armor parts because we only need this. And grab this new tights, assemble it back, and this round part at the top. Next, the new set of fit, and the new legs are done. So assemble them back to the main body part, and here we are done. There we go. So in this design, her legs can do better high kick, some articulation for the new fit. Can move like this, like that, do some kind of pivot and movement at the front here. You can take the weapon holder from the backpack and put it at this side like this, and same goes with the tiny blades. You can put it right here. Well, these are some custom options that you can do. This is the rotation view of her standard looking frame scale design. Kotobukiya really improved a lot this time with their FAG line, especially giving out more face expression, better articulation, and more accessories, just like Megami Device line. These are some poses that you can do with or without her armor, the samurai armor. And overall, this kit is so amazing, and I already fall in love with this design since Kotobukiya first prototype was revealed years back, and this is one badass looking samurai in frame of skill, you need to get one as a part of your collection. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on Eizy Customizer Facebook page and my Instagram Eizy. The links are in the description down below. I do customizing, I do kit bashing, reviews, tutorials, and many more, because here on Eizy Customizer we build, we share, and we're inspired. See you guys next time. Ciao.